Irish New Welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get this orange makeup look, so if you like to see it then just keep watching. So now I'm taking Burn and Psycho and mixing them together. I'm going to put that on the outer corner. I'm just going to run it through the crease. Now I'm taking Apricot and I'm going over the crease area. Now I'm taking Mango and I'm just going to apply it over the top of that, up to the brow bone. Now I'm going back into Apricot and I'm going back over that. Now I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and I'm just going to cut the crease. So again, taking Burn and Psycho, I'm just going to put it in the outer corner. And this is going to be to blend the shades together when I put the other one on. Now I'm going to apply Cinnamon with my finger. And look how pretty that shade is. So I'm just going to pat that on top. And now I'm going to apply Legacy into the inner corner. Now I'm just going to get some micellar water and I'm just going to wipe underneath my eyes to see if there was any fallout. And there was a tiny little bit of fallout, so I'm going to do the rest of my makeup quickly and then come back to the eyes. So first off, I'm going in with the Revolution Conceal and Fix Primer. So I'm going to take the Body Shop Matte Clay Foundation. Subscriber, I bet you can already tell which concealer I'm going to use. Yep, it's the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. If anyone knows of a really good, affordable concealer, please let me know, because I really want to try another concealer. So to blend out my concealer, I'm going to try this little sponge. It looks so cute. I really like this little sponge, it was easier to blend out my concealer. So now moving on to powder, I'm going to take the Miracle Makeover powder. And this is what it looks like. For contour, I'm taking this Revolution Contour and Glow palette. And this is what it looks like. Now for blusher, I'm taking this Body Shop blusher. Body Shop no longer sell this one, but it's so pretty I just have to use it. For highlighter, I'm taking this Revolution Rainbow highlighter. I'm just going to apply it on the brow bone. Now moving back onto the eyes, I'm taking Burn and I'm going to apply it underneath the eye. Taking Apricot and Mango, and I'm going to apply that all over the top. Now I'm taking the Body Shop Happy Go Lash Mascara. Now I'm taking the Revolution lipstick in collaboration with Soph, and it's in the shade Cake. Now I'm taking the Revolution Pro Fix Fixing Spray. So here is the finished look. If you enjoyed today's video and you would like to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!